Howdy y'all, this is Christoph from Dusty Trails 4x4 doing a quick little vertical short. Where my doggos? Jose. Obviously it's a bit warm out here. Ozzy. Yeah, snort. Okay. The other one. Nice breeze though. Need to get out here with the weed whacker and flatbed wagon. Oh yeah. Check this out. Like that? It's pretty cool, huh? Here's the new floor. Yep. Yeah, we put up this bed here in the living room because we wanted to spend a couple nights here. But here's that new flooring I was talking about.
Yeah, sit the skillet in here.
And I got a Dutch oven that weighs about 40 pounds that's coming on in here. Ooh, dog! Ozzy. So, setting that right. Oh my goodness. That's a Dutch oven for you. Okay. Say hi, Lorraine.
Where'd you put it?
Say hi, Lorraine.
Hi.
I don't know. I can't find it. Wherever could it be? Moving on. Ozzy, you take up too much room, buddy. And for a heavy sucker, I can see your ribs. What's the deal with that? How much you weigh? 130 pounds? Somewhere in there.
Oh, what?
Ozzy. I'm thinking he weighs about 130.
Yeah, around there.
So yeah, we put up this bed in the living room because when we were spending the night the other night, this is where we stayed. And I got this nice and sealed up so it's not smoking when we build a fire in it. And some lights. Yeah. So on and so on. We're still working on it, obviously. Still got our tools out. So, see, because we still have holes in the floor. And there's my chainsaw. Oh yeah, I'll put up this curtain. You like that curtain? I like that curtain. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Anyway, there's my darts. I had a lot of darts. Yeah, I actually have a bedroll down here. Sleeping bag, my hat, my oilskin tarp. All good. Everything's good. Everything's fine. And that's it. Check that out. I can open the door now. Go, doggos, go. That's it. It's just a little shorty. Let you know that I'm still out here doing stuff. Talk to y'all later.